was like this great little peanut dish. There was eggplant. There were noodles. Actually, they were zoodles. And I was drinking this really nice new gin that I found. It's called Boodles. And then this guy walks in and they're like, he brings his 3 poodles and it's just like, I'm sorry, this is a restaurant, sir.
Speaking of dinner, I've actually been meaning to talk to you about this.
Sure.
I just feel that last episode, we really focused in on the cooking.
I thought it was a cooking show.
Yeah, no, it is. It's just, you know, you had a lot of screen time, which was good.
Wait, but I feel like you get to do all of your like songwriting and your art and I never get to showcase anything I'm passionate about.
We're 2 best friends, took the train in from Jersey City. 2 best friends, making our way in town. We're 2 bored friends, hungry and hapless, but Jason's pretty. 2 broke friends, gonna try something new. We're kitchen crashers, not purse snatchers, not rat catchers, not leg waxers. We're kitchen crashers. First we'll find the apartment, then we'll get inside through doors left open, windows broken, and telling people lies. A little bit of breaking in to get a lot of bacon in, and now let's get to cooking too, so that we can be looking through cupboards and closets, dressers and drawers, running up and down apartment floors. We're kitchen crashers, dine-in dashers, escaping slashers, tasteful flashers. We're kitchen crashers, kitten snatchers, eyelash lashers, saving cash. Theme song masters. Kitchen crashers.
Okay, so I've looked through the fridge and I can't really find anything, so I think we're gonna look through the freezer next, if that's okay with you, Belle.
I just found a knife in the fruit bowl.
Okay, there are just tons of plastic bags. I'm just gonna open one, I guess. I think it's just a chunk of meat.
I just found a knife in the paper towel roll.
I could make chili.
A lot of bleach.
So, I found a slow cooker, so I think we're gonna make some slow cooker chili. We don't have all the ingredients I would typically use in a chili, but we have tomatoes and 2 different kinds of chili peppers, so I think that should be fine, and we have the hunks of meat in the freezer. So let's just get started by assembling our all of our ingredients. I don't know what I'm doing. I know how to make chili. I swear, I know how to make chili. There's just nothing in this apartment except meat. Okay, so Belle, I have a task for you. Okay, so you want to help?
Yes.
So in chili, typically, you don't want to use whole tomatoes. You really want like a tomato sauce. So if you could just, these are full tomatoes. If you could just like mash them up, cut them up, you know, get them like a good consistency, that'd be great. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna be over here getting the rest of our ingredients together. She wants to help cook, huh? Well.
Oh, it's like a human brain.
How's it going?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Do you feel like you're done?
Yeah. No, they feel
Let me see.
yummy.
Okay. Let me see. Oh! These look great! Perfect. Alright, great job.
Oh. Probably should have washed my hands.
Ooh, it's an adobo sauce. What is in adobo sauce? Sure. Okay, so these are chipotle peppers. They are really nice and they add this like smoky flavor. See, look how like smoky it looks. Ooh! See, it's like just burning down the back of my head now. We actually need water. This is not a joke. This is not a drill.
Was it this one?
Yeah. No. What is this weird stain?
I don't know.
Great. So you're gonna do all the adding. So
Okay.
just like listen exactly what I say and then do that. Cool. So first we're gonna add the tomatoes. Half of the diced green chilies. And then just like a tiny bit of the chipotles. No!
Oh my god, you can smell how spicy that is. Wow!
Now we're gonna add the meat. Yeah, so we really want this meat to get all of the flavor, so we're just gonna really like submerge it in its juices and just like, yeah, perfect. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh yeah, just like, yummy. So Belle, I want you to pick up a spice, tell me what it is, and I'll tell you how much to put in.
Nutmeg.
Little bit, tiny bit. It's just for that added earthiness. It's like that it'll add kind of like a sweetness, maybe kind of like, we use nutmeg for like apple pies. Actually, that's really what I can really only think of nutmeg.
Tell me when.
Starbucks. Oh my god, have you been adding it that whole time?
Yeah, was I not
God.
supposed to? Just say when.
Sorry, I was talking. I
Paprika.
thought you knew. So we're just gonna let this simmer now for like 7 or 8 hours.
Wait, what? Okay, now what?
Y'all ready for this?
Down! Up! Down! Work on my saliva! No! Cheating! Drink enough! I have never lost a drinking game in my entire life. Thank you.
3, 2,
Hey, whoa!
Preemptive cheating!
You can't preemptively cheat! I know you're thinking that now. You Okay, so it says first you want to make a 7-inch incision on the chest, and then you want to.
Play hearts.
Name of the game is Texas Hold'em. Opening bid is $30.
I have that.
I'm all in. W-A-R. War! Yes!
Ace is low. Ace is low.
No, ace is high.
Ace is low.
No, ace is the
Ace
best
is
card.
low.
Ace-
I went to Albania and all I got was this Apple Watch.
I went to Bolivia and all I got was this baby.
I went to Cambodia and all I got was this child.
I went to I went to Denmark and all I got was this daughter.
I went to England and all I got was this egg.
I was gonna say embryo. I went to Finland and all I got was this
Finnish child.
Yeah, it's that one. My boyfriend's perfect, except he has like a really large aquarium in his room, and he wants me to strip down, get in the tank with the manta rays, and pose naked. My boyfriend's perfect, except he takes care of like a large number of mice, and he wants me to pose naked with them. My boyfriend's perfect, except he has this like really large pet boa constrictor, and he wants me to pose naked in its shed skin. I think the wine's going to my head. Let's play something else.
Yeah, no, something else.
Yes!
Do it again. No, don't do that. No,
You're a tramp.
I don't want to do that.
I was supposed to blow.
Okay,
I always
do it.
fuck that
Do it
one
again,
up.
do it again.
I never blow when the time is right.
That's right.